Hello my friends, welcome. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a complete wedding directory website using WordPress with a free theme, step by step, even if you are a beginner. The goal is simple. You will build a wedding marketplace where vendors can register, create a listing, and promote their services like wedding venue, wedding event services, wedding transport, wedding dress rentals, photography, catering, decorators, and more. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clean, professional directory site where users can easily browse services and vendors can list what they offer. Perfect for building a local wedding business directory or a full niche marketplace. So, if you have been thinking about launching a wedding directory website without spending money on a premium theme, you are in the right place. Let's get started. In the first step, we will install a free directory WordPress theme. So for that, we first need to choose an excellent looking free theme, and for this purpose, the Radius Directory WordPress theme is the best choice. Radius Directory theme is one of the best free options because it is specifically designed for a directory and listing website. It ensures the right structure and layout from the start. Not only that, it offers a clean, modern, and responsive design with Elementor support. Now let's start. Firstly, go to the appearance of your dashboard to add new theme. Click on Upload Theme. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of Radius directory. Then click on Install Now. After installing, click on Activate and instantly you'll get several plugins to begin. But before that, we need to activate license. So provide your license key here and then click on Save Changes. Now click on Begin installing plugins. Select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugin Installer and again select all of them to activate. Then click on Apply. And now click on Return to the dashboard and go to the Tools, click Demo Content Install, and here it is, our predefined homepage. So click on Install. Once the installation is complete, you will get this kind of appearance of our required theme. In the second step, now we will learn how to add location and categories. For this, go to the listing of the classified listing dashboard, locations. To add a new one, provide your desired location name and then click here to save this. Next, go to the categories from the listing to add a new one. Set a title here for a new category. And for the image, you can provide your desired image from yourself. And then you can also set your icon. Lastly, click on this to save it. Let's try to add another category name here. Set the title along with the image. And then save it. This is how you can add more categories one by one just by following these steps and process. For example, here we are setting up separate categories for all wedding related services and items. Now let's visit the site, how we have created our customized categories. And here these are. As you can see, the categories we have created include wedding caterers, dresses, and more. Now we will create wedding directory listing form. Go to the dashboard, form builder, choose the create form with AI, 4 steps to complete it. First, the name. The second step, the type. You can select or create a directory type from here. Then the third step is details, to specify location and write your prompt. For the keywords, you can add relevant from the following suggested keywords. Now let's generate it. After completing, you will get AI-powered form builder. Here, you can easily delete or edit any section by simply dragging and dropping it. Let's edit first the basic information. Go to the location, click on here to edit. From the preset fields, drag the category and drop it here. Next, if anything seems unnecessary to you, you can delete it as well. Now go to the vendor information to edit. Again, similarly, if you further think these are unnecessary to you, you can delete. And if you want to create a new section, then click on it, go to the preset fields, drag what you need, and edit the section title, for example, contact information. Then, according to it, drag location to drop it here, and then set your location. And after location, drag the phone and drop it here. Similarly, you can drag the address and drop it here. As I mentioned earlier, if you want, you can drag any field or section and arrange it in ascending or descending order. After that, edit your section title, photo or video. In the next, drag image and drop it here. If you want, you can also drag video URL if necessary. Let's edit the section title as wedding information instead of basic information. It totally depends on your purpose. Let's recheck the whole form again. Now let's set the entire form name as wedding directory and then click here to save this. In the next, let's test submission form. So let's click on add listing and fill up this wedding information form. First, the title, set your category, and write the description about it. For the pricing information, set the pricing type and the price. For the photo, select it from yourself. If you want, you can skip the video URL. For the contact information, provide it very carefully. For example, location, address, phone number, etc. Then submit it. Let's visit the single details page. Here it is. The title, description, and the information of the admin. Now we will configure settings for your website. For this, go to the settings first and then go to the listing settings. From here, you can enable or disable the given options. For example, renew listing, and then set your new listing status as pending. Then click on save change. Now go to the listing labels. Set your listing label name, then go to the location, set your location type, go to the currency, then set your currency position, the currency, and etc. For the social share settings, you can enable your social share option, for example Facebook, Twitter, etc. Now let's go to the all listing page settings option to customize their given criteria. You will get some several field options to show in listing, for example views count, feature label, new label, etc. Similar customizations are available for the listing details page. Then customize the payment. Next, go to the email, account and policy. From here, you can enable or disable these options, and please make sure to understand it clearly first. Now let's go to the page, click on add listing. Here first we need to log in to enable the account creation on the my account page. Back to there again, read out this page first and click on register. Instantly you will get this type of appearance to fill it up. Now at this moment you can enable separate registration form. If you enable this, it will look like that. In the next, if you want, you can further enable or disable these options under the registration fields. For example, while you enable account type, instantly you'll get more two options for your seller label and the buyer label. This is how you can further customize your terms and conditions, privacy policy, and etc. Next, go to the page setup and permalink, then style, and many more. Next, we learn how to monetize with pricing plan. Firstly, go to the settings again and then go to the payment directly. According to the general settings, enable payment option and then save it. While done, you will get it here. Now let's add new pricing plan for this. So click on this. Set a title for your pricing plan. For example, feature your ads for 30 days. Now set your price and the numbers of the days the pricing will be validated. Make it featured and write the description about your plan. Then click on publish to save this. This is how you can make more pricing plan just by following these steps. Let's click on add listing and go to your created form. Here provide your title properly and then set your category. Now write description about it in details. After that, set your price for the pricing information, and for the photo or video, you can select it by yourself. If you want, you can skip video URL. For the contact information, provide your location, address, and the phone number properly. Click on submit and instantly it will display your created pricing plans so that you can review your order and select any one from this package. To fill your billing address, choose your payment method and proceed to payment. Here this is your order details. Here you can see your payment method, order status, along with the billing address. Then click on view all my listings. You can see your status is pending. Let's see how can you set it as confirmed. So that go to the payment history, go to your specific order. You can further see your pricing title. Here you can select your order status as complete, cancelled, refunded, etc. Let's choose completed and let's back to your listings, all my listings, reload the page and see this has already turned into featured. Now we will customize your website with brand color. For this, click on the top to edit with Elementor. And this is the interface. Let's click on it. Go to the style. According to it, you can change your background type and the background color from its color picker. Now let's customize the heading text color from this color picker. Next, go to the button to customize its button text color. For the layout, you can further do it. And this is how you can change the background color for each sections. The color customization is totally up to you. While done, let's click on publish and go to your page. Now let's customize to edit this. Firstly, go to the general and according to the general, you can customize the logo. In the next, go to the header. For the header customization, you can change the button text according to your preference. Then go to the typography. You can customize body heading and the menu as well. For the heading, you can change the heading typography from the heading 1 to or whatever you want. In the next, go to the color for the color customization. You can customize each primary color from this color picker what you need. For the primary light color, similar customizations are available for this. This color customization depends on your preference. In the next, go to the listing settings. From here, you'll get several field selection options to display or disappear. While done, let's back to the page again to edit it with Elementor for the further modification if you want. So let's click on plus icon, choose our structure, and then resize its height. Now we will customize search form. So drag the search form and drop it here. At this moment, you will get several field options to keep it here or disable if you want to disappear. Let's select what you need. Now go to the style for the image, choose any one for yourself, and then customize its resolution like position, attachment, repeat, and the display size. Let's resize its height. And for the advanced customization, you can modify its margin and the padding. Now go to the border. From here, you can set its border width along with the border radius. Go to the background now for customize its color. In the next, back to the style and set its button background. If you further want, you can customize button text color from this color picker. After the general style, go to the fields now to customize field text color. While done, let's click on Publish to save all of our customizations what we have created so far. You can select your location as well as category. Thank you for watching this video.